When I look back, I noticed the leaf tips had turned brown and showed signs of leaf burn. Because I was so busy, I neglected this Phalaenopsis orchid for a while. Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. If your peace lily is experiencing the same condition, don't worry too much. In today's video, Great Garden will share some common causes of leaf burn in peace lilies and guide you through a few simple solutions to help the plant recover and grow healthier. In particular, I will use familiar ingredients that are readily available in the kitchen, even things that many people usually throw away after using them. If you love houseplants, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden to discover more useful plant care tips. Let's get started. If you notice the tips or edges of your peace lily, leaves turning brown or black, the plant is most likely experiencing one of three problems. Cause 1. The air is too dry or the plant is lacking water. Palm orchids are tropical plants that prefer humidity. When the air is too dry or the plant isn't watered properly, the tips of the leaves often begin to dry out and turn brown. Cause 2. Over-fertilization or mineral salt buildup. Fertilizing too frequently or using water with a high mineral content can cause salt to build up around the root system. Over time, this causes the leaf tips and edges to scorch. Cause 3. Waterlogged or oxygen-deficient root system. This is a commonly overlooked cause. Although peace lilies prefer moist soil, their roots still need oxygen to thrive. When the growing environment is too wet or waterlogged for extended periods, the roots can become stressed, leading to the appearance of brown or black scorched patches on the leaves. And this is exactly the case with the peace lily plant I'm currently dealing with. You can see that the leaf tips have turned black and distinct yellow margins have appeared. After checking the growing conditions, the cause was identified as the root system lacking oxygen due to an environment that was constantly too moist in the semi-hydroponic system. Therefore, even though peace lily loves water, you still need to ensure that the root system has enough air for the plant to grow healthily. The first thing you need to do after identifying the cause of the leaf burn is to remove the dried and damaged parts of the leaves. Use scissors that have been sterilized with alcohol to trim away the parts of the leaves that have turned brown or black. This will help the plant avoid continuing to expend water and nutrients to maintain the damaged leaf tissue. As a result, the plant can focus its energy on nourishing healthy leaves and promoting the development of new shoots. In addition, pruning damaged leaves also helps reduce the risk of fungal diseases developing while improving the plant's appearance, making the pot look neater, greener, and more attractive. Next, check the plant's semi-hydroponic system. In a semi-hydroponic system, the root system needs to be exposed to both water and air at the same time. If the water level is too high, causing all of the roots to remain submerged in water, the roots will lack oxygen, reducing their ability to absorb water and nutrients. Over time, this can weaken the roots and cause the plant to grow less effectively. Then, pour out all of the old water from the reservoir tray. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. At this point, I use baking soda to clean the plant pot. Baking soda can help remove stains, mineral deposits, and buildup that have accumulated on the walls of the pot after a long period of use. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the bottom of the pot. Pour about 1 liter of clean water into the pot. Use a spoon to stir the baking soda solution thoroughly so that the baking soda dissolves completely in the water. Stirring thoroughly will help make the solution more uniform, thereby increasing its effectiveness in cleaning stains, deposits, and buildup that have accumulated on the surface of the plant pot during use. After that, wait about 15 minutes for the baking soda solution to disinfect around the stones in the pot. After 15 minutes, rinse the pot thoroughly under running water. This will help completely remove any remaining stains, deposits, and residual baking soda from the surface of the pot. Once thoroughly cleaned, the pot will be better ventilated, cleaner, more attractive, and ready to have the plant placed back inside. Next, prepare an organic fertilizer solution for the plant. The ingredient I use is rice. Rice contains starch along with many minerals and natural nutrients that are beneficial for plant growth. Prepare a blender. Add 3 tablespoons of rice to the blender and blend it thoroughly. Blending it thoroughly will help the nutrients in the rice grains be extracted into the water more easily, while also shortening the soaking time and increasing absorption efficiency when used for the plant. After blending, we will obtain a fine rice powder, as shown in the video. At this point, pour all of this powder into a clean glass cup. Next, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to extract the nutrients contained in the rice. Hot water will help the starch and natural nutrients in the rice be released more quickly, creating an easily absorbed nutrient solution. Use a spoon to stir the solution thoroughly so that it blends evenly, allowing the rice powder to come into uniform contact with the hot water and release nutrients more effectively. Finally, cover it and let the solution steep for 1 hour. This period of time will help the nutrients in the rice be extracted more effectively into the water, creating a natural nutrient solution for use on plants. After 1 hour, once the solution has cooled, I strain out the solids and keep only the pure liquid. This liquid is the natural nutrient solution extracted from rice, containing many beneficial nutrients that help support healthy root development, improve nutrient absorption, and promote healthier, greener plant growth. The next ingredient I use is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is a familiar vitamin that is commonly used by many people in plant care. When used properly, vitamin B1 can help support the plant's recovery process after repotting, pruning, or experiencing environmental stress, while also supporting healthier root development. Next, add 3 vitamin B1 tablets to the prepared rice water solution. Then, stir thoroughly until the tablets are completely dissolved. Stirring thoroughly will help the vitamin B1 dissolve evenly throughout the rice water solution, nutrients to be distributed more uniformly. As a result, when applied to the plant, the root system can absorb nutrients more efficiently, helping the plant recover faster and grow more healthily. Add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. That's it. We now have a solution ready to fertilize the plant. Method 1. Pour the rice powder and vitamin B1 solution into a dedicated spray bottle. Then, store this solution in the refrigerator. You can keep it for 3 to 5 days without worrying about it going bad. This will help you save time, money, and effort, because you can use it multiple times without having to prepare a fresh solution every day. Method 2. Pour the remaining solution into a clean glass container as shown in the video. Next, place the peace lily pot into the rice water and vitamin B1 solution, allowing the roots to soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will give the root system time to absorb water and nutrients more gradually and evenly. At the same time, this bottom watering method also helps stimulate healthy root development, supporting the plant's faster recovery after repotting or root pruning. During this time, use a soft cotton pad dipped in the rice powder and vitamin B1 solution. Then gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust accumulated on the leaf surfaces, making the leaves cleaner and better ventilated. At the same time, clean leaves allow the plant to absorb light more effectively, supporting the process of photosynthesis and helping the plant maintain a healthy green color and a natural glossy appearance. After that, lift the plant out of the rice powder and vitamin B1 solution, then place the plant back into the semi-hydroponic pot. Next, pour clean water into the bottom of the pot. Note that you should only add a moderate amount of water and not allow the water to submerge the entire root system. In a semi-hydroponic system, the root system needs to be exposed to both water and air at the same time. An appropriate water level will allow the roots to absorb the necessary moisture while still having enough oxygen to respire and grow healthily. This helps reduce the risk of root rot and creates favorable conditions for the plant's long-term growth. Finally, place the peace lily in a location with bright indirect light and allow the plant to rest for 3 days. Avoid direct sunlight and avoid placing the plant near an air conditioner or strong air currents. After adjusting the growing conditions, the newly emerging leaves will become healthier, and the leaf burn problem will gradually decrease. After 3 days, once the plant has stabilized, take the solution out of the refrigerator and lightly mist the entire plant, including the stems and leaves. This will help provide additional moisture to the leaves, support better nutrient absorption, and reduce water loss after repotting. At the same time, regular misting also helps the leaves maintain their fresh green color, allows the plant to recover more quickly, and creates favorable conditions for new shoots to develop healthily. Result: after 2 months of regularly using the rice powder and vitamin B1 solution, the sunburned peace lily showed clear positive changes. Emerging leaves became darker green, the leaf surfaces appeared glossy and healthy, and fewer new burn marks appeared. The foliage became denser, and the young leaves grew larger and sturdier. The plant gradually regained its vitality, showed less wilting, and grew more steadily. Flower buds when cared for under suitable lighting conditions. The flowers grow larger, the flower stalks become stronger, and the flowers also last longer. The new flowers are brighter white, more beautiful, and more uniform compared to the period when the plant was previously weakened. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope this method will help your peace lily recover quickly, grow lush and healthy, and produce more beautiful flowers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the Great Garden channel to share your plant care experience and receive support whenever needed. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next videos.